Today, it'll show you the easiest way to wirelessly mirror your phone screen to your PC in 2025, completely cable-free. Let's get started. On a Windows PC, enable projecting to this PC. Click on Start. Click on Settings. Select System. Move down and click on Projecting to this PC. Here, if it's not available, click on Optional Features. Click on View Features. Move down to select Wireless Display option. Then click on Next. Click on Add option. Now, this will start to download the necessary files for wireless display, so make sure you have good internet connection. When done, move down to check or it's added. Click back. Choose Available Everywhere. Now click on Launch the Wireless Display app to project to this PC. Here you will see PC is ready for you to connect wirelessly. Now get your phone. Swipe down from the top of the screen. Select Screencast or Smart View. On Samsung, click on DeX. Move down and click on Go to Wi-Fi settings. Here, select to connect on the same network that your PC connects to. Now move back. Choose your PC from the list. Once connected, your phone screen will appear on your PC. You can now play videos, open apps, or present directly from your phone. And that's it. It's as simple as that. No cables, no stress, just seamless wireless casting. Having trouble? Make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Restart your phone or PC if the connection fails. Update your apps or drivers for compatibility. Wasn't that easy? If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and share this video with your friends. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you next time.